It is the night of Ashura. The family and the companions of Hussain ibn Ali spent the night in worship, recitation of the Quran, as well as prayers.
Hussain ibn Ali summons his companions and his family. He says, take the cloak of darkness of this night as a cover and flee for your lives, for I relieve you of the constraints of the oath of allegiance. Free yourselves and go, for by your death I shall not be saved. Oh Hussein, do you doubt our loyalty and commitment to you? Hussein smiles and says, no prophet nor wali has been given companions like the ones I have been given.
The gravity of the crime that was about to befall on the Prophet's grandson was too much for General Al-Hur. His conscience was shaken. Along with his son, he switched to the other side. Despite what Al-Hur had done, Hussein forgave him. In the face of certain death, the loyal companions defended Hussein to their last breath. The day of Ashura, 13th October 680 AD, 10th Muharram 61 AH.
Hussain Salamullah alayhi spent the most part of the morning of Ashura trying to clarify the minds of his opponents. He was saying, you know who I am. This is the book of God. This is what the Prophet has said about me. This is my claim. You know that is wrong. You know I am right. The only response they came back was, either pay the allegiance to the Caliph or we put you to death.
Umar ibn Saad shot the first arrow and commenced the battle. Hussein refused to give Yazid his allegiance. His loyal 72 remained firm by his side.